Hello friends, in the previous video, we learned what is force. Today, we will learn what is pressure. The first question that will come to our mind when we think of this topic is what is pressure? Force acting on a unit area of surface is known as pressure. Force can be applied in any direction to obtain pressure, but when the force applied is perpendicular to the surface, it is called thrust. Pressure is also said to be the ratio between the force and the area of the surface. Thus, pressure can be calculated as force upon area. Let us now have a look at the units of pressure. The SI unit of pressure is named after the French mathematician and scientist Blaise Pascal. The SI unit of pressure is Newton meter square or Pascal. The symbol for Pascal is Pa. 1 Pascal is the pressure exerted by a force of 1 Newton acting over a distance of 1 meter square. A larger unit of pressure is kilopascal or kPa. Let us now see how the units of pressure are obtained. Let us now see how the SI unit of pressure is obtained. For this, we must know that pressure is equal to force upon area. The SI unit of force is Newton and the SI unit of area is meter square. So, when we divide these two units and according to the laws of exponents, it will give us Newton meter raised to the power of -2, which is equal to 1 Pascal. Let us now see how the CGS unit for pressure is obtained. We know that the CGS unit of force is dyne and the CGS unit of area is centimeter square. The division of these two units will give us dyne centimeter raised to the power of -2. Now, let us see the factors which affect pressure. Magnitude of force acting on the surface. When the magnitude of force acting on the surface is more, then the pressure will also be more. Let us understand this factor with the help of an example. Case 1. Here, two bricks are placed on top of each other on sand. As there are two bricks, the pressure exerted by the bricks will be more. So, you will find a deeper impression of the bricks on the sand. Case 2. Here, only one brick is placed on the sand. So, the force exerted by the brick will be less, and thus the impression of the brick on the sand will be less deep as compared to case 1. 2. The direction in which the force is applied on the surface. When the force is applied in a vertical or horizontal direction, the pressure will be more. But if it is applied in an inclined or diagonal direction, the pressure exerted by the body will be less. Let us understand this factor with the help of an example. Case 1. Here, the brick is placed vertically in sand. So, the brick will leave a deeper impression on the sand. Case 2. Here, the brick is placed in an inclined position in the sand. So, the impression of the brick on the sand will be less deep as compared to the impression in case 1, as the pressure exerted by the brick due to the inclined position will be less. 3. The area of surface over which the force is applied. When the area in contact with the surface is less, the pressure exerted will be more. But if the area in contact is more, the pressure exerted by the object will be less. Let us understand this factor with the help of an example. Case 1. Here, the brick is placed in a horizontal position over the sand. Here, the area in contact of the brick with the sand will be more, and thus the pressure exerted by the brick will be less. Thus, the brick will leave a less deep impression on the sand. Case 2. Here, the brick is placed in a vertical position over the sand. So, the area of contact of the brick with the sand will be less. Because of this, the brick exerts more pressure on the sand, due to which it leaves a deeper impression as compared to the impression in case 1. Let us have a quick revision of what we learned today. Force acting on a unit area is called pressure. Force perpendicular to the surface is called thrust. Pressure is equal to force upon area. The SI unit of force is Pascal and is named after the French mathematician and scientist Blaise Pascal. Factors affecting pressure: 1. Magnitude of force. 2. Direction of force. 3. Area of surface over which the force is applied. Please like the video if you understood the concepts that were explained. Subscribe to my channel for more videos on related topics. Thank you.